Hey there guys, Dr. Dave here again with another video tutorial for the EV3 Mindstorms robots. In this tutorial I'm going to look at how to use the project configuration button to delete programs and myblocks, and also to export myblocks so they can be used in other projects. Okay, hope you enjoy. Okay, so after doing some development I've ended up with two myblocks which pretty well do the same sort of thing. So if we look down here, we've got drive forward and forward distance, which is essentially the same thing. We've also got another program here which really doesn't really do much, both of which I want to get rid of. So the first thing we're going to do, go into the list of programs through a system key and delete that program. And we see here now, if I go and look at the list of programs over here on the right, we see that the rotate program is no longer there. So we've gotten rid of that program. Next thing we're going to do is go into our myblocks, and the drive distance method block we're going to delete. So if we go back into there, we see that we've only got one block now available in myblocks. Okay, so removing that duplication. Now what we're going to do is actually export the forward distance myblocks so we can use it in other programs. So when we click on export, it opens up the file dialog, enter a file name for it. Now what we can do is actually open up another project, see that loaded up there, go into the configuration tool. We can import that block now. So import the forward distance block, go back into our programs, create a new program, and we've seen there that that myblock is now available. We've dragged that across and we can use it in our new project.